Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with digital TV antenna, solar power prep, quad step entry, LED exterior lighting, heated enclosed underbelly, outside speakers, water heater bypass, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, roof ladder, outside cable and satellite hookup, backup camera ready, stabilizer jacks, triple slides, full walk-on roof, theater seat for two with cup holders, living room fireplace, satellite prep, range hood with exhaust fan and light, big corner shower, rear living area, carbon monoxide detector, bedroom dresser, front bedroom, oven, dual lights over headboard, interior grab handle at entry door, living area television, bathroom cabinet with mirror, LED interior lighting. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.